videos have been helpful to you. You have seen several videos related to Provident Fund, but you will not be able to transact in your Provident Fund account if your mobile number is incorrect or old, since it is OTP based. So, this video is dedicated to the process of updating your current mobile number in the Employee Provident Fund portal with your UAN login credentials. So, how do we update the new mobile number? Ready? Before we begin, I would like to emphasize on the fact that the mobile number which you are about to update needs to be necessarily linked with your Aadhaar card, and the Aadhaar card has to be linked to your UAN, that is Universal Account Number. In case that is not done yet, we urge you to do the same as soon as possible. For those who have done it, let's get started. Open any web browser and type the URL as shown on the screen in the address bar. Can you see the page? Now click on Services and then select the option for Employees. Scroll down to the Services section and select the second option, Member UAN or Online Services, that is OCS or OTCP. At the right hand side of the page, enter your UAN and password. Don't forget the captcha. Do you see the Manage tab? Click on the tab and click on Contact Details. To change mobile number, please click on Change Mobile Number. Type the number you wish to change and click on Get Authorization PIN. You will receive an authorization PIN. Enter the PIN in the box below to confirm the mobile number. Yay! Your mobile number is now successfully changed. Thank you for watching this video.